Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Kapor ding ha Meghalaya kalipman kapor Congress ka kular Bandung du bor ding ha nong kendong ni hasar
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Vote for your 5-star Meghalaya. Vote for Congress.
UMLA ka Trinamool Congress na West Bengal ubakhmi ru eka Jylla Meghalaya umanas Ranjan Bhunia haka arholai terek uramphang ulapanram eka jingangnud unong ilam ka Congress Rahul Gandhi persha eka TMC haba crunch kilat pathai khobor haga nigasngi Bhunia ulapanram jar eka jingangnud Rahul Gandhi baka TMC ka dei ka team B jang Bharatiya Janata Party but baka TMC ka yarab eka BJP haga Jylla
liberation of Rahul Gandhi ji in the meeting yesterday, where he categorically identified TMC as the B team of BJP and helping BJP clearly. I strongly oppose this and condemn this statement.
Bhunia ulabanrap ru ba lala ban pensisha bahapo ka jingalam ka Mamata Banerjee kimat bat ki kam ki ba kala yakhun bat kalapin tre kam kilong ki ba lakershan da ki Paidbah.
The role of TMC in the name of AITC, All India Trinamool Congress, we are spreading all over India in different states for our political mandate from the people of this country. In a multiple democratic system, we are playing our vital role to woo the support of the people for democracy, for secularism, for sovereignty of our country, the rights of the people, fundamental rights of the people. It has been proved by the activity and the leadership of Madam Mamata Banerjee that she has proven her credential, that all the issues she is fighting for is supported by the people.
Ula banrap ru baka TMC kalapan liam eka BJP haka election shayeng dorbar thauan haka Jylla West Bengal haka Sam Arjar Arphaway bat kalala ban wan biang haka bor haka sien kabalai. Shushu Bhunia ula yaro ya uba Charles Pingro bat umukul sangma ki baladan ya ka jingtem bat ka jing shampang haka san perthai bat ula panpau ru ya ka jing kerman baki Paidbah ka Jylla Meghalaya kin ai ka jing kershan ya ki haka ni election kaban salong haka arpunyo terek urumphang.
We are fighting in Tripura. There was a government of BJP. We fought in Goa. There was government of BJP. We are fighting in Meghalaya, where BJP supported government has been running. So wherefrom we are supporting BJP. And if you just give a look to the West Bengal latest assembly election in 2021, they gave a clarion call, इसका बार 200 पार. बीजेपी ने क्या हुआ? Madam Mamata Banerjee defeated the BJP party in Bengal and established for third term TMC government in West Bengal. Our National General Secretary has clearly stated in his TV interview a few days back that we are not going to disturb Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan and other Pradesh where BJP is being faced by the Congress in that particular states. But what is the credential of the Congress there? We all are from the Congress. But he has attacked. It is the people of Meghalaya who will judge his statement and deliberations and our activity. Mr. Charles Pingro, our state president, Dr. Mukul Sangma, with their rich political and cultural heritage of politics in Meghalaya, will prove definitely their credential with the support of the people of Meghalaya in the coming elections. Because the people need change. This demand of the people that we need change and this aspiration will be fulfilled by the Meghalaya TMC in the coming assembly election. And we all is wishing all for good health, good mind, good development and a prosperous Meghalaya state with its rich culture, with its rich tradition of the people of Meghalaya, and TMC will stand for that. Our leader, Madam Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee, with the leadership of Charles Pingro and Dr. Mukul Sangma, will continue to that tune of politics to fulfill the aspiration of Meghalaya people.
Meghalaya TMC introduces Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment Scheme. Under this scheme, a direct transfer of Rs 1,000 per month, yearly Rs 12,000, will be made to a woman in every household as guaranteed income support.
This 27th February, press on the twin flower symbol and vote for Meghalaya TMC.